Yes. In this video, we are going to understand why you should become an ed tech program marketer. That's like online courses, selling job. And you keep 100% profit sharing for all the products that you're selling online. Okay. So this is basically an online course and we call it as a product or digital product. And this is the program that we have created and I was selling it myself at $99 and people are buying it. Thousands of people are buying it every single week. And this product is quite successful. In this, we teach people about how they can start their own online business of various type of products. For example, mine is healthcare niche. So I'll just share the screen quickly so that you'll get an idea what I'm talking about. So here is this. You can see this is a website which I'm running called Fit Summit, and this is specifically for healthcare products. And in India, the cost of healthcare products are very less. Trust me, and these are so good quality products, ancient science which never gets outdated. And in the Western world, there's a huge demand of such products because these products are really amazing. And we think these products are never going to be outdated because for a long time, I would say 3000 to 5000 years of India's history, these products have been getting sold regularly. And so far, if these products have been sustaining for the last 5000 years, that means you can definitely trust on this, right? So if you look at the dietary supplement, these are type of products that people want to sell online, okay? And if you're Ayurvedic medicines, which are great products for different type of health benefits they give you, so these products will never be outdated even in recession also. So these products can be sold forever. So what you get is a program page like this, where this entire page, what I'm showing you right now, you just share this page in social media channels, in search engines, everywhere, and you will be definitely be able to make decent profits. $99 is what we charge for this course. You keep the entire 100% profit sharing for this course sales, and you make money. Why we do this? Because it helps us in my personal branding, as at the same time it helps in India's exports. Okay, so this is a program which we are running mainly for that. So we mainly focus on the program content updation, content development, research and development, making sure that the user who is joining the program gets complete support and mentorship from our side so that he grows his business effectively. While what you do, you keep selling. It's very simple, okay? But as an e-learning partner, what you do, I'm going to share the screen now for this. This is the e-learning program page. So you start your edtech business. You can inquire here for partnership. I can have a Zoom call with you. Maybe somebody from my office will have a call with you. And there's a video walkthrough which you can go through. And what is the benefit of this plug and play business? It's actually 100% profit sharing, which you get directly. Okay, it's written 50%. Previously it was 50%. Right now it is 100%. And if you look at the investment, it is just $99 per month that you are paying. And what you are paying for is basically a dedicated website, a domain name, hosting, payment gateway, and the documentations and the course which we are giving you, that will be hosted online, so people will be learning that course, right? So there's a lot of people who will be learning. There will be a lot of support that is also required. So all those things has some cost. So this is the only cost. It's like a rental you're paying and getting a product which is a 100% sales profit that you keep, and entire business is on you. Okay, keep selling. In case if you are even selling at $99 to even 30 people a day, and for 365 days, I'm just giving you math because this is definitely doable. You make easily $1 million in this. Okay, even if you think $1 million seems a big amount for you, I'm just saying you, okay, you want to make $100,000, just make 3 sales, an average per day at $99. You still make more than $100,000 per year, right? So I'm saying you, this is definitely doable. It's an easy business model. You just have to start it. Let me know if you want to start, and we can do something on this, because I can provide you some marketing collaterals which you can share in social media channels. Work with me for a few months, start making some sales. It can be a stable model for you. Okay, one more thing. A lot of people ask me that, hey, if I start this business, I don't have time, I'm a working professional, or I'm already having my business, so how can I do it? I can provide you a full-time employee. You can pay him salary, okay, and he will be doing the entire digital marketing, influencer marketing activities for you, and the sales will keep happening for you, right? So there's only one cost for you, the business that you're buying. Okay, there's a cost for it, that's all. No profit for me in this. But when you buy, when people buy from you, you make profits out of it. You can have somebody to work for you, 1 or 2 employees from my side I can provide you. Already in India we have low cost employment rate, so no problem. You can provide somebody who is understanding the whole concept, and he can run the business for you. It's like a passive business opportunity for you, right? So it's better than affiliate marketing. It's better than creating your own product and selling that and then managing all that headaches. Instead of that, just keep 100%. What's more you need in that, isn't it? And entire backend support is from my side. So that's all. I think that will be helpful for you, I hope. And just reach out to this link, that is fitsumit.com, and inquire for partnership, and we'll have a discussion on this. That's all. You want to know more about me? Just click on About Me or this page and check out the information about how I started and the entire timeline and journey. If you want to contact and have more discussion, you can reach out here also. Okay. You can visit my social media channels and check out the detail. If you want to know more about the program, you can check this also. And it is just a $99 program, so even you can join and you can start how you can start your own e-commerce business for fitness products, and whatever support is required, that will be providing you. So that's all from my end. Thank you so much, and let's connect and start something big together.